If you're looking to purchase a luxury branded residence in Phuket, there are a handful of projects that really stand out, and Kiara Reserve is one of them. This luxury branded residence in the heart of Layan is set for completion in Q3 this year, and there are a limited number of units available for sale. In today's video, I'm going to take you on a tour of the enormous duplex unit and a beautiful 3-bedroom unit, which is perfect for long-term living. So if you're thinking about moving to Phuket and you're looking for a luxury branded residence, then stick around because this project is one of the best on the island right now. Without further ado, follow me this way. Here we are inside the enormous 3-bedroom duplex condominium, and this is a huge 382 square meters. We've got a beautiful terrace outside that I'll show you in just a second, a couple of bedrooms upstairs. Before I show you that, let me show you this gorgeous living area, and what I love are these super tall ceilings. It's not often you see condominiums with ceilings. These must be what? 6 meters tall at least. We've got a really nice kitchen. This oversized island in the middle there makes it perfect for entertaining. And as you look out the window, you've got greenery all over. You've got those beautiful palm trees, and that big pool that we just showed you is just outside your door. Over this side, we've got a very stylishly put together living area with a large L-shaped sofa and a huge TV on the wall. And again, I love the height of these ceilings, and these floor to ceiling windows give it so much natural light, and that mezzanine level as well make it look so cool. I love this sort of lampshade type affair up here as well. Very elegant. And if you come this way, I'll show you into the ground floor bedroom. Now, I guess you could call this the master bedroom. The biggest one's upstairs, but this one is very generously sized as well. Follow me. Here we are inside the ground floor bedroom, which is a big space. We've got ample storage down here with wardrobes against the wall, and the bathroom is almost like stepping into a 5-star hotel. It's very elegantly put together. What I also love is this real wood on the back here. It really, again, gives it that sort of classic Asian style, but it also feels very modern. But without a doubt, what the best bit about this bedroom is you get direct access to this absolutely enormous balcony, and you've got a beautiful jacuzzi style pool there, huge tall ceilings again, and just look out at this. You're washed in greenery. You've got a view of the pool down there, and this balcony stretches all the way across, takes us back into the living area over this side. But as you can see, you'd be spending so much time outside, having your dinner here, relaxing by the pool, and it brings you back inside to that really grand main living area. I think you really get a sense of the scale of this condominium. It's, like I said, it's not many condominiums that have floors, that have ceilings that are, what, 6.5 meters tall. So very impressive. Now, let me take you up to floor 2 and show you the 2 bedrooms up there. So on the second floor of the condo, we've got a guest bedroom behind me. We've also got another entrance. So there's an entrance on the top floor and on the ground floor, which is always useful. But just look at the size of this master suite. It's absolutely enormous. We've got the bed and living area over there. But before we show you them, let's go down here and show you all of this storage. Look at this, top quality real wood wardrobes and what can only be described as a 5-star hotel feeling bathroom. We've got the his and her sinks, a huge bathtub and rain shower, and I love the tiling that they've used. It definitely has, it's got a 5-star spa feel without a doubt. Now if you follow me over this way, guys, the best part about this bedroom, and definitely where I'd be spending a lot of my time, is out here on the huge balcony overlooking your private jacuzzi. And again, flooded with greenery. You've got all of those palm trees. It's not the nicest day in Phuket. It's a bit cloudy, but nonetheless, it looks absolutely gorgeous, doesn't it? Now, up at the top here, we've got a gym as well. But before we show you around the facilities, let's go and have a look at the other 3-bedroom unit, which is equally as spacious, 251 square meters. Here we are inside one of the 3-bedroom units, which is a very spacious 251 square meters. Perfect if you're a family living here in Phuket. Now, this is one of the only condos that I've seen that actually has 2 kitchens. We've got the main kitchen here for preparing food and entertaining, etc. And then around the back just here, we have got the working kitchen, if you will, which you'll see is not small, right? It's a long, long kitchen. You've got your oven, your microwave, and your fridge over there. You've got your cooker right here. So it's a big, big kitchen. And as we move through to the living space, you can see this is very expansive as well. You've got your coffee bar, your breakfast bar, and your dining table here. Enough room to sit 8 people. And a really, really spacious and well put together living space. Now, one of the things that gives this a real luxury feel is this real wood feature wall, which is all around the unit. It almost makes it feel like a presidential suite or something like that. Now, like I said, this has got 3 bedrooms. We've got the 2 guests over there, but if you follow me this way, we'll take a look into the master bedroom. Now, it's pretty similar to the unit that we just saw, the duplex unit. It's got a little bit less storage, but the bathroom has still got that 5-star hotel feel. And most importantly, we've got access to this beautiful balcony area, outdoor living area, because you'd be out here so much. Of course, we've got the jacuzzi here. We can turn that on in just a second so you can see it in action. But just look at your front yard, right? Absolutely stunning. You've got the pool, you've got the greenery, and it's also worth noting, guys, there are only 46 units in this whole project. Okay, so it's very, very boutique. It's very, very exclusive, and it's not going to be busy here at all. Now, if you follow me down this way, we have access to the main living area through these sliding doors too. So you've got that really nice view, but we can also get into the guest bedroom this way. Again, they're using this really nice dark wood throughout the property that gives it that real luxury feel. So we've got one guest bedroom with a double bed here, another guest bedroom with a couple of twin beds in there, and a shared bathroom right there. Now, if you follow me this way, guys, you can really see It's got that luxury feel. This is so different to some of those big condominium projects with, 300, 400, 700 units in some cases. We're here at the clubhouse building, which is at the top of the project. And to my right, we've got a top quality gym with techno gym equipment. And you get an absolutely magnificent view, not only of the boutique style project, but also of the Layan Valley down there. Now, as you can see, and you can probably hear, there is plenty of work going on site. These units behind me will be getting handed over to clients next month, and there are a handful of units left available. Now, what I also should mention is this project is connected to the Anantara Hotel. So when you purchase here, you get access to all of the premium 5-star hotel facilities down on Layan Beach, including Layan Life, which is one of the best wellness centers on the whole island. Now, if you are interested in getting more information about Kiara Reserve and getting your hands on some of the limited units that are still available, do feel free to drop me a message using my links that are on the screen right now. The fastest way to reach me personally is using WhatsApp. Just scan the QR code and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. With that said, thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.